Model 2015 VAUXHALL Combo 1.3 CDTI spares OR repairs MAXI body, white, panel van mileage, 130,104 engine, 1,248 cc 1.3D transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect runs with a bottom-end knock condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, parking sensors EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £3,625. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.